We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ here. In British English, this is normally said as nuclear. Nuclear. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as nuclear. Nuclear in American English versus nuclear in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.